I'm Helle.
And I'm Tinne.
And today we're gonna do a new challenge. Are you looking forward to it, Tinne?
Yeah, totally.
I saw some balls. We're gonna do something with this.
Okay,
let's open it. Da-da-da-da! Holi challenge. You're the bomb bowling challenge. Bowl the competition over with bad bombs. Throw them at the shower foam pins and knock them down as fast as you can. All right, I think we're gonna do some bowling.
Yeah, I'm totally not good at this.
No? Totally not good?
No, totally not.
Maybe I'm gonna win then.
Yeah,
oh,
you're
no.
gonna win. I know that.
But let's try.
Okay, let's try.
Who's gonna start?
You're gonna start. I wanna see it.
Yeah?
Yeah, totally.
No paper, scissors, rock?
Oh yeah, okay.
Okay. Paper, scissors, rock!
Shit.
Oh my god. Another one. Paper, scissors, rock!
Wait, then I have to...
Yeah, you have to start.
Okay.
Try it. Come on, come on.
If I do it with fences, so I'm gonna totally suck
Yeah,
at
okay.
this.
Come on, eh?
Ha!
Oh! Okay, next one, a spare.
Yeah.
You have to throw a spare, eh?
Okay, okay.
It's gonna be good. It's gonna be good. Come on, eh?
It is...
No. Oh, yeah. Seven. High five. It's good. Just one lucky ball. Warm it up a little bit. Okay, I'm ready.
This instant replay is brought to you by
Holy Moly Foaming Shower
You
Gel.
have another shot. Okay, second chance. Second chance. Come on. I'm gonna end up with 0. Okay, warm up, warm up, warm up. Huh? No! Yeah! Okay, high five. Strike, 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 strike. Whoa! Okay, spare, spare, spare now.
Can't do this.
This is another one. Another lucky ball.
Another lucky ball.
Okay. Yeah, one. Okay,
Pretty
7.
lucky,
It's
pretty
better
lucky.
than 0. It's better. High five. So much concentration. Yay! 1, 2, 3. Yes! One. Okay, I think it's clear who won, Tinne, and I hope you liked it.
Yeah, like it and subscribe it and hope to see you next week.
Bye!
Bye.